Hello, this is Ayman from Lumina, and today we're going to unbox the Lumina and I'm going to show you how to set up the mounting kit. Alright, so this is the Lumina box. The first thing that comes inside is the Lumina. Put it on the side. The second thing is a color card, and then you have a little pamphlet. Next we have two boxes. The first box we have the two cables, C to C and A to C. We also have the little hex key that you can use for the mount. Inside the other box we have the privacy cover and the mount. Alright, now let's get to the mounting kit. As you can see, this is the mount, and you can easily screw it underneath the Lumina. And then you can open it like this and use the hex key to make it tighter. So now it's ready to mount. Alright, and now let's connect our Lumina to the computer. And I would recommend that you connect it directly to your computer. Open the mount a little bit like this and position it on the top of your screen. And the Lumina also comes with a magnetic privacy cover. You can easily install it on the lens and it snaps right on. It's hard to lose. If you want to have your camera on, just push it to the back and it snaps just like that. I hope you guys found it easy to set up your Lumina. If you have any questions, let us know. And goodbye.